Hey, what's going on, everybody? So today, I guess another Saab story. Ha ha ha, hee hee, ho ho ha ha. Yeah, we hear that all the time. Anyway, I'm on my way back to Zoom Automotive. Noticed that I have an oil leak and it's hitting the exhaust and it really smells. Smell it coming through the vents and everything, and frankly, I'm just tired of it. So called them up and was like, when can you get me in? Oh, the next day? Early in the morning? Perfect, let's get her done. So I'm going to be getting my valve cover gasket replaced and the oil trap hose that goes from, that vents out from the valve cover to the oil trap or catch can, depending on what you want to call it. And yeah, didn't want to have to deal with that, but it is what it is, and I'm going to make sure this car keeps on ticking, baby. So pretty much it. And yeah, I know the video is actually kind of terrible because the sun's coming out and it's low and all that stuff, but yeah, anyway, that's the story for today. See how it goes. Never see my car from this angle, well, from outside anyway. There we are. Yeah, it does look pretty good. Well, good news. Since the valve cover was off, and there's Nigel, owner of Zoom Automotive. Anyway, since the valve cover was off, took a look at the timing chain and everything is good. So all those fears are alleviated and should be ready to go.